I think we should.
Dang.
Let's go 4x minus 5y equals 12. So one of them will be a decimal, right?
Yeah.
Because 5 won't go into 12.
It'd be like negative 2 point something.
Yep. So if I put in my 0 here,
It'd be like 2, 7.
I'm going to divide by negative 5. And so y is going to be negative 2 and 2/5, right?
Yeah.
Which is negative 2.4. So negative 2.4 on the y-axis is just a little less than a half, isn't it? Is that about 2.4 right there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And then if we go back, now we're going to do the y value is 0 to find the x-intercept. So that one's easier because I divide by 4 and I get 3. So my x-intercept is 3 right there. And that would be my line. Just connect those 2 points.
Is there gonna be any decimal ones?
Alright, so if I'm using intercepts, let's go 3x minus 5y equals negative 15. Okay?
Interesting. So then you can do 0 for x. Right?
Yeah, I can put 0 in for x.
And then it would be negative 3 for the first one.
Would it be negative 3?
No,
Yeah.
3.
Because this is going to be gone. Don't I have to divide by a negative 5?
Oh, positive.
So y is going to be a positive 3. So that y-intercept is 3. Now we have to do the x value. We have to find the x-intercept.
Negative 5.
So we're going to put, we're going to put in a 0 for the y value. Okay, and that's a 15. So now that's going to be gone. I divide by 3. X is going to be negative 5. So I go to figure out where negative 5 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there.
So we only have to do 2 of these problems?
You know, I have to have 2 points. That's correct. So we're graphing using intercepts. So we found when we put the 0 in for x, we found the y-intercept. When we put the 0 in for y, that found us the x-intercept.
That's weird.
Yeah?
It works.
And it works. So instead of having to solve for y every time, which is still my favorite way to do it, this works as well. It's a little, I don't know if it's quicker. Some people have trouble solving for y. This is a different way to do it. Okay? Should we try one that's decimals?
No.